how you can fix Roblox Error Code 280. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Now, in order to fix Roblox Error Code 280, you can simply close this tab and from your search bar in your laptop, search for add or remove. There you will get add or remove. So simply click on that. Now in the search bar, search for Roblox. Now, you have to uninstall all the instances that you have installed in your device. So I have one instance installed. So what you have to do is click on this three dot and then simply click on uninstall. Then again click on uninstall. With that, again open up the web browser in your laptop and then open up the roblox.com. Once you get to roblox.com, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now go to random game in your home page. On this play right here, it says you have to download and install the Roblox again. So simply click on download and install the Roblox, and once it is installed, you can simply set up in your device and then the newest or latest version of Roblox will get downloaded and that will help you out to solve the error. So that's how you fix error code 280 in Roblox. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.